From washing a car to leather maintenance, spot cleaning, spills, and more, simple automotive care can often be perceived as confusing or even too time-consuming, causing owners to ignore routine maintenance, allowing for undesirable looks and smells and drastically shortening the lifespan of automotive surfaces. But in this video, we'll go through the simple steps one can take around an entire car using all of Turtle Wax's quick and easy product line. To start with comprehensive car care, we begin with a few user basics, one of the most important being hand washing. People often assume hand washing is a daunting task, but it can be quick, easy, and fun with the use of the right products and tools. With hand washing, a few elements are key, one being the use of multiple buckets, one for your soap and one purely for water to rinse your wash mitt between panels of soap application and dirt agitation. By dipping and agitating your wash mitt in the clean water-filled rinse bucket before returning it to the soap bucket and your car, you vastly decrease the chance that dirt removed from the car can either contaminate your clean soap concentrate and/or be carried back to the surface of your car, easily scratching the paint if too diluted. Though 2 buckets are always recommended, a fun and time-saving alteration to soap application can also be made with the added foaming help of a hose-attached foam sprayer. Both this and the classic bucket method are easily used with Turtle Wax's quick and easy Zip Wax Wash Concentrate. The next recommended wash elements are a bit more simple and are as follows. It's best practice to avoid washing or working with paint in direct sunlight, though many of Turtle Wax's products still allow it. When washing, always rinse and wash the car from top to bottom, as old wash water and dirt rinse down the car. Adopt a consistent cleaning and waxing regimen, not allowing contaminants to sit on the surface too long while keeping your protective wax layer fortified, and spot cleaning any sudden stains like bugs, bird droppings, or water spots on chrome with products like Turtle Wax's Quick and Easy Clean and Shine Total Exterior Detailer. Or even a full car touch-up after a rainstorm or where water isn't available using the dirt encapsulating Exterior 1 waterless wash and wax spray. After a water hand wash, and while the vehicle is still wet, one can also save time by combining the drying and waxing process by using Turtle Wax's Wax and Dry Spray Wax, simply spraying the product onto each freshly washed and still wet panel and wiping dry. This is especially handy in dry and warmer climates to speed up the drying process, avoiding water spots. When wiping areas of the car, whether dirty or not, make sure to consistently flip to fresh areas of your microfiber towels, or simply replace them as they become too diluted. And as a general rule of thumb, always use freshly cleaned washing materials. For example, rinsed and clean buckets, fresh water, and washed and unused microfiber wash mitts and towels. Staying contaminant-free is key in not introducing new blemishes to your paint. From here, we move inside the vehicle to the first place our bodies come in contact with, our seats. And if those seats are leather, keeping that luxury's pores clean, clear, non-greasy, and protected is oh so important in extending its lifespan. It's always best to remove any heavier accumulated dirt or grime before treating areas with cleaning products, as to avoid spreading soil and making further work more difficult. Thus, the use of a vacuum is first recommended on seats, seams, in tight spaces, and on floors. Turtle Wax's Luxe Leather Cleaner and Conditioner is a 3-in-1 pH-balanced blend of cocoa butter, vitamin E, and aloe vera, which combine to restore luster and softness to all leather upholstery, while also working to remove ingrained dirt, and added UV protectors block harmful sun rays to prevent color fading, drying, and cracking of your prized leather. And if your upholstery isn't made of leather, Turtle Wax's Quick and Easy Interior 1 Multi-Purpose Cleaner and Stain Remover is next for all cloth and carpet upholstery needs, even the tough ones, as it comes with a detachable scrub brush. Next, for the interior, we look at what we need to look through, our glass. For this, Turtle Wax has the ever-versatile Dash and Glass Interior Detailer, a simple yet scent-infused glass cleaner that doubles for any interior cleanup needs, especially when one has overspray from window cleaning on their door panels or that pesky area where a windshield and dashboard meet. And finally, now that all surfaces have been cleared, we have the added option of protecting it with Turtle Wax's Quick and Easy Inside and Out Protectant, blocking UVA and B rays to prevent drying, fading, and cracking on interior and exterior surfaces like plastic, rubber, vinyl, dashboards, trim, tires, and more. Though, after all, the most important element to reiterate is simply to clean dirt and soils as soon as possible, boiling comprehensive car care down to consistency and action, retaining one's value and shine, now conveniently and with ease thanks to the vast product spectrum available on Turtle Wax's Quick and Easy line. Check the video's description for more product information, including where to purchase all of Turtle Wax's Quick and Easy products. And for more helpful tips and videos on how to care for all areas of your car, subscribe, visit turtlewax.com, or watch other videos in this playlist.